Like, share, and subscribe. I just want to say, wash your hands and cough a sleeve in your sneeze, please. Wash your hands and cough a sneeze in your sleeve, please. Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. They say if you say something 3 times, it gets into the human's mental. So wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. Achoo! Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. You know, it's probably something you should have been doing constantly before the coronavirus, though. Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. I was doing that before the corona. Hey, I was washing my hands and coughing and sneezing in my sleeve before the corona. Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. You can see what's behind me, but the words come up backwards. I have to do it this way. I don't know how to turn it around while I'm recording. So wash your hands, cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. Ooh, get my lips. Get my lips ready. Ooh, ooh. Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. Achoo! You probably should have been doing it before the coronavirus. I was doing it before the coronavirus. I've been coughing and sneezing in my sleeve and washing my hands since far back as I can think. You understand me? So wash your hands, cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. Like, share, and subscribe. Definitely share this information. Wash your hands and cough and sneeze in your sleeve, please. If you stay prepared, you ain't got to get prepared. You understand me?